Hello, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel. Welcome back to Langpam. My name is Lonel or LP. Today, out of respect to y'all, even though I don't really have an engaged fan base, I think I need to apologize for taking so long to bring you the next video lesson. I just wanted to make sure you know that I care. We are going to continue with the verb tenses by looking into the future. As we have seen in the past with the other tenses, we're going to see the simple future, the future continuous, the future perfect, and the future perfect continuous. Sans perdre du temps, on nous entre tout droit dans ce sujet. On allait, let's go.
L'enfant, criant la salive, non tout qu'un arbre. J'en mets l'anticipation plan, qui est grand.
For simple future, we use as marker pral. And sometimes you can hear people say prale, okay? But usually it's pral. And as an example, I can say mwen pral au cap demain matin. Mwen pral au cap demain matin. I will go to Conjugation tomorrow morning. We also use as marker for simple future app. I know it sounds confusing, but it's one of the, the simplicity of the verb tenses. It's what makes this language so easy to speak. You don't have too many constraints to, make your sentence perfect to express your idea. And as Creole, we have that say, Creole parler, Creole comprendre. We will understand you. That's the beauty of it. For app as a marker, we can say, map relève demain. I will call you tomorrow. Okay, for future continuous, we have app and pral, but we combine them to make the continuity. Like, for example, we can use app plus app or pral plus app. Let me give you one example. Semaine prochaine, nan lesa, mwen pral app voyager. I will be traveling, right? I will be traveling. Mwen pral app voyager. This time next week, I will be traveling. And let's see app plus app. Map gen pou m ap dormi nan lesa. Map gen pou m ap dormi nan lesa. I will be sleeping around that time. Mwen pral ap fè cheve tale. I will be cutting hair later. For future perfect, we use the marker app. And only app. We don't really use pral in future perfect. So, an example is like map fin manger avant 6 heures or map gen tan fin manger avant 6 heures. I will have eaten before 6. Or I can say bon vendredi kon sa lap gen tan fini projet. Bon vendredi kon sa, lap gen tan fini projet. She will have finished the project by Friday. Well, you already know, for future perfect continuous, we go back to the combination of app plus app or pral plus app. So, one example is map gen tan gen dese ap danse bon neve. Map deja gen dese tan ap danse bon neve. I will have been dancing for 2 hours by 9. Another example with pral plus app, I can say, moi kap vini an, pral fem gen 10 ans depi map travay isi ya. Moi kap vini an, pral fem gen 10 ans depi map travay isi ya. By next month, I will have been working here for 10 years. Well, this concludes this verb tenses series, and thank you for watching. Remember, continue to share and like the videos. See you on the next. Bye bye.